Hello, everybody. Lone Wolf Rick here, and I am here at a windy Laughlin, Nevada. That's right, I have left to Flagstaff, Arizona, and I am here. It's like for the next couple of days anyway before I head back to Vegas. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Check it out, it is super windy today. I have already posted a couple of videos. It's like from here in Laughlin. Did a review of staying out at the edge of water. What would a day in Laughlin be like without wind, huh? And hope you check those out as I'm just kind of cruising around here. And temperature wise is actually pretty nice. It's not too bad today, but I know it's supposed to get up into the 90s, so it'll be a hot day all the way around, and with the wind it'll be a kind of like a heat furnace. But yeah, it's had a great time in Laughlin in Flagstaff. And but it was time to go. I was spending too much money. Kind of went over my budget a little bit, but that's okay. Had a great time, and just a lot of fun, you know. Hopefully, maybe next year I'll be able to go back and take a look at a lot of the other things that I wasn't able to see down there. But here we are in Laughlin. Just out and about enjoying the day today. At the start of this recording, it's about 9 o'clock. Doesn't look like it's too busy here. I think, you know, from what I've been reading and everything, it's like Laughlin's doing pretty good on the weekends. The weekend visitors and everything have been very good. But during the midweek, it is still pretty slow. But it works out pretty good for me, you know, just because the room rates are pretty reasonable. Able to sneak down here maybe a couple times a month or whatever, and just enjoy getting away, you know. You see a lot of empty spaces over there in the RV park also. I did see news broke out of Vegas that the Venetian Hotel will be undergoing a $1.5 billion renovation. $1.5 billion. I'm not sure what it cost to build it back in the day, but a $1.5 billion renovations is that's a lot of pennies in the slot machine, huh? Take a look back here where it came from. See, Blue Oyster Cult is going to be here Saturday, September 28th on the reader board up there. If you're a bit of a 70s classic rock fan. I've wondered, it's like how this RV country place does here. If they do a good business here or not, you know. I mean, they've been here a long time, so I'm assuming that they do, but I know as a whole, like RVs and travel trailers and stuff have really picked up as more and more people have kind of got into that nomad mode, you know. Let's go around this truck here so he could go, and then he didn't go. Seems like more and more people are doing videos in that nomad kind of life style and van life. Where they just kind of fed up with everything, you know. And it's pretty interesting too. It's like the government has tried to make it as hard as they can for these people. You know, if you don't have a physical address, now a lot of these people will get a mailbox at, like say, UPS store or PostNet or Postal Annex, one of those types of stores. But if you do not have a physical address, which these people don't, you cannot vote. At least here in Nevada, anyway. They'll make you provide a physical address. So I'm assuming you could probably use a friend's address or whatever, but and they're trying to make it more difficult too to even get a driver's license if you don't have a physical address. So it's pretty interesting things that are going on. You know, and these are they're usually retired people, or people at least it's like in the pardon me here for a second, gonna push that button, in the middle-aged, you know. I guess I know you got to have rules, but with everything that you've been hearing and reading about how lax the voting is, you know, it does not seem like it's that way here in Nevada. I mean, you can't get a voter registration if you don't have a permanent address. Take a look up there, way up on the hill there. So some RVs up there. See the bar side there, it's a $4 beer. There's the Edgewater. That's where I'm staying at. And once again, please check out that the hotel review from the Edgewater that I did. I'd appreciate that. Alrighty, everybody. I think that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you joining me today. Hello, Wolf Rick. Please hit the thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate that. That helps both of us out. Hey, everybody. Take care of yourselves, okay? And stay healthy. I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.